In this video, I will show you how to generate image using FastSD MCP server and Claude desktop running on an APC using NPU. So in the machine, I have an NPU. So basic idea is MCP, that is Model Context Protocol. It is basically like a USB-C port for artificial intelligence or LLMs maybe. It's actually kind of a USB-C port, so we can connect different components. Like that, the LLM can communicate with the different types of data sources, uh, tools, data sources and tools. So in this case, our LLM is actually communicating with the fastest D to generate image. Claude desktop actually don't generate images, but using the fastest D CPU or NPU or GPU, we can generate the image. So it has MCP has server client architecture. It has three components: MCP host, MCP server, and MCP client. MCP host means the application user actually interacting. So it can be Claude desktop, VS Code, cursor. And MCP server actually the application that is exposing the tools or data sources. In our case, actually, it is FastSD MCP server, and MCP client actually resides inside the host application. That is the Claude desktop. The this MCP client can connect to the MCP server, and it can use the particular tool. For example, it can generate image. So that's the basic concept of this MCP protocol. So based on this protocol, this image generation will work with FastSD. Now, first of all, we need to download and install the Claude desktop, which you can download from the claude.com. I have already downloaded and installed Claude desktop. So I will open that. Okay. Now we need to configure the Claude desktop to connect fastest MCP server. For that, we need to edit the Claude desktop configuration. For that, we need to open file and go to the settings. That is open file, go to settings. In the settings, we can see the developer configuration. Here have already added this. You can edit the configuration. This is actually a JSON file. You can edit it in your favorite editor. So you need to copy paste this snippet into the configuration file and save that file. After that, we need to restart the Claude desktop. So that for that we can reload from here. So now it is reloaded. Next, we need to download and install the FastSD CPU. You can download it from the GitHub page itself. It has releases, and also you can use Git to clone the repo. It has all the description how to run this application, how you can install it on Windows, and how you can run the MCP server. So basically, after you clone that repository, you need to set the device as NPU. So I'm going to I have already cloned and installed FastSD CPU. Now I'm going to set device as NPU. Next, we need to start the MCP server using the start MCP server.bat command. So the fastest MCP server is starting up. It will take some time. Okay, now we can reload this configuration. You can see that we have this FastSD enabled. Now we can run a sample command like for example get system info. Now the Claude is actually using the system info from FastSD allow once. Yes, FastSD is going to use NPU, device name and operating system, all those things we can see. Now we can try to generate an image. Copying this command, this prompt. Now we will generate image using FastSD MCP server. I'm going to use the prompt. The image has been generated. Now we can check the image opening. Yes, the image generated here. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for your time.